Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're finally doing it. We're finally cleaning this motor and transmission as well for some reason. So first order of business is to move Pumpkinator back, then back the S10 in, and then put the motor in the bed. Oh gosh, I can't do it. You gotta, there we go. Okay. Coming back, so should I pull on it? I don't know how far back you want to go. Man, what is up with this paint job, dude?
That's where the epoxy is.
And I need to paint this piece of crap. What was that for? To hold the cat on? Hold the catalytic to convertation. This thing's soaking. Trying to match it up with the cam? With the oil pan? What?
Oil pump drive.
Oh, the oil pump drive. Awesome. I don't even know why I'm spraying the tranny. Hopefully this tape will stand up to the mass currents of rushing water. Whoa-wee. Zoe. Forza. Ah! My GoPro! Dude, you would be amazed at the wide angle lens of a GoPro. I still am. Alright, so I'm mostly just spraying the short block area, kind of avoiding the heads and intake, so hopefully this will hold up because I'm going to replace all of that. Look at this sad little 406 small block. Just waiting to be fired.
Waiting to be fired and smoke some LS motor.
Okay, nope, cut. There we go. That's it.
Yep, so it is.
The truck is lowered.
He's dropped probably like 3 inches.
Okay, hold on. Well, that sort of worked. There's still tons of grease caked on there. So I guess when we separate the motor from the trans, I'm gonna have to go over the motor again with a degreaser or something, because I mean, it got most of the big stuff off, but there's still a lot of grease on there. So all right, now that the motor is power washed and kind of not really that clean, I'm gonna separate it from the transmission so we can get it on that Harbor Freight $30 engine stand. So let's do it. Yeah, there we go.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Oh, my fingers. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, what do I do? What do you do? I don't know what to do.
Okay, well, I did not realize that torque converters had that much fluid in them. But now I gotta get this thing off and then put the motor on the stand. All right, well, that torque converter was kind of a pain to get off, but we're good now. Gonna get it in the sky and ready to go on this thing, which is gonna tip over and kill somebody probably. More than likely, since it's got one wheel in front. Oh, that's nice. Where's the bolts? Right through the train.
I guess you're going to have to buy bolts because I don't have any there that long.
Okay, now it's nighttime and it's raining outside, but we got the motor on the stand. The stand doesn't feel too bad so far. This one wheel up front kind of sketches me out though, but hear that thunder. So for right now, I'm working on taking the pulleys off, the whole drive system, so the water pump, crank pulley, and I'm also going to, probably tomorrow, I'm going to get the heads, intake, and exhaust manifolds off, so the whole top end will come off. Then I'm going to finish degreasing and cleaning the block, and probably paint it pretty soon. I don't know if I'll get to it tomorrow, but I'll do it pretty soon. And then, yeah, so take the motor mounts off, all that crap. So right now I'm working on getting the water pump off first. Okay, water pump is off. So here's what the block actually looks like now. Not too horrible. I'm gonna get those gaskets out of here. So I'm also replacing the timing cover. So I'm not gonna worry about cleaning this so much. But down in here, this grease, all that crap needs to come out. Same with, you know, everything else that's on the short block area. And I gotta get the crank pulley off, but I'll probably do that tomorrow as well. So I will just clean like what I can for right now in here and mostly over here. So I'll do that. I think I'm also gonna attack the manifolds tonight. Take these off and get that done so I can have better access to the block under here and get rid of this hanging pipe. And also, I gotta say, I really appreciate and like the fact that most bolts holding crap on the front, the water pump and the transmission and the exhaust manifolds, and I'm sure the intake is the same way, but I really like how most of them are 9/16, so I don't even gotta switch sockets. So hats off to GM. Alright guys, so I think that's going to be it for this video. Wait a minute. What the heck? So this is actually the dual plane intake that's going to be going on this motor. It will not be painted orange by the time it's all finished. Neither the block will not look like this either. And also, this is not the carburetor we're going to use. This is just kind of slapped on there. And I have a special thing in mind for the air filter for the final product. So you guys will have to wait and see that. Anyways though, I think that's going to be it for this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the build so far. Let me know what you think I'm going to do with the air filter or something. I don't know. And before I go, I'm going to show you guys something that may or may not be in the next video. Not these are going in the wagon. Alright, that's it. Take it easy, guys. See you next time.